Hello everyone, welcome. Today, we'll take you deep into the art of welding and see how welders skillfully use our Kingree welding machines to precisely weld carbon steel plates. Here, the welder is welding a carbon steel plate, and we can observe the intricacies of the weld seam. We hope you've gained a deeper understanding of our machines welding carbon steel. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting manufacturing and craftsmanship content. Now, let's take a look at the carbon steel plate that the welder has completed. The weld seam is flawless, demonstrating a high level of technical expertise of our machines. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.